Hello, Dr. Hooter here. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button, which I don't know what everyone's doing. Guess, okay, here we go. Find that, I guess. Can I jump on this cactus? Yes, I can. What am I supposed to do? Is there any blocky stuff? I don't see any of them. Oh shoot, then I get... I want to click the button. Oh my goodness. Watch this. And I can make it. Oh, roasted. Cannot make that one. Dang. Dang, son! You're going down! Ooh! I could have made it, but just go for it. Wow! Wow, I did it! Let's see if this female. Who's this person? Rich! You got a stinking flying machine. Oh my goodness, rich people. I am... Oh, I died. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Here we go again. I don't care. You know. Okay, I guess we're trying. Push. Oh my goodness. Obviously rich people. Let's take out rich people. Whoa! Yankee! Oh, okay. It's an old one. What is this? Ooh. Oh my. Luckily I'm smart, maybe. I'm smart, maybe. Okay, I saw it. Yeah, that's right. That is right. Okay, let's see if my memory works. Boom. Can I go in the... Okay, I won. I'm not a loser, okay? I'm not a loser. Young loser. The green light of the dead body. Wow. Don't you dare. I've been fighting you for a long time, you person. Hey, don't you dare. Loser. Roasted. I wanna press the button. Find the hole. What hole? Oh, need this hole. Okay. I want that. Thank you. Look at this skill. Yeah, that's right. Skill. Yeah, look at these coins everywhere. That is annoying. Aliens? Oh wait, what's wrong with me? Why did I step into it? It wasn't my fault. I didn't want to step into it. Get out of it! My goodness, that was lame. Ooh, boing. Where am I supposed to go? I don't know where I'm supposed to go. This is just fun. Okay, excuse me. Life is different when this happens. Hey, look, money. That's where I'm supposed to go. Money. I didn't even pick up the money. How dare you, game. Okay. This was a fun life. Watch out for the bomb. Sorry, I don't want to. Okay. Hey, look, money. I'm a greedy guy! Give me the money! Oh, what is this? Ooh. There should be a fire somewhere. Oh, there's a fire over here. Oh my goodness. About the fire. Yeah, that's right. Shoot that nugget! We're losing! It's just me versus everyone. Oh, shoot that nugget. Oh, shoot that nugget! Oh wait, I actually got it. Oh my goodness, it won the history's that. Enough time. Shoot the fire! Thank you. No, shoot the fire. Shoot that nugget. Shoot that nugget. Shoot that nugget. Lapa, Lapa. Words that shouldn't be spoken here. Boom! Jump! Destroy it! Red one. Red one? What do you mean red one? Was I red? Get ready. Get. Okay. Okay. Don't fall. Okay, where am I supposed to go though? It says don't fall. Do it. Oh! Okay, now I get it. Now I understand. Okay, this is skill. Okay, I'm pretty sure we still have to get to the front. Oh yeah, this is skillful. Ooh! Roasted. Good skill. Oh yeah, exercise. Okay, I'm supposed to reach the end, or... Okay, I'm at the end. This is like the best workout! Workout! Come on, we just gotta work out, you know? Super speed. Okay. Ooh, coin. Survive the firings. Okay, okay, so they explode, but you're supposed to jump over them. Alright. Whoa! Super bounce. Bounce. Boom! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Yeah, that's right. Skill. Okay, we gotta look behind us because we could have an incident. Give me the treasure first. I want the treasure. I want the treasure now. Not even close enough to it. You died. Oh, that's so sad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Gotta fix something. What am I trying to fix? Oh, this. E, repair. Okay, repair. Boom! Yeah, repair glass. Come on, you gotta learn how to repair glass, especially underwater. You don't, you die. Be smart, people! Be smart! Come on! Pick us out of the window. Pick us out of the window so it just doesn't... Pick... Stop throwing bombs everywhere, my good sir. Come on! Pick the glass. Everyone, work together. Come on, we gotta get this done. Shoot, the water's coming up. We're gonna drown soon. Shoot that nugget. Oh my goodness, I didn't. Come on, people, come on. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. What, again? Oh my goodness. We're drowning here. We don't have time. We have no time. Oh my goodness. Work. What are you guys doing? Oh my goodness. We survived. Get ready for what? Get ready for what? No! I wasn't ready for this. Shoot that nugget. No! Man, I'm not in the mood. Don't you dare come over here. Great! I have nowhere else to go! Oh my goodness. That's not a good round. This was not a good round. This was not a good round! Oh my goodness. Stand still for 1 second. That's like really brave of you. Get ready. For what? Whatever. Oh, shoot that nugget. Luckily, I am catfish on this game. Yeah, you're right. This boss is the best. Oh my goodness, here comes the fan. Rich people. Rich people! Sheesh. Alright. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Okay, now I know it. Woo! That's scary. Oh my goodness. Crazy. This is crazy. No! Okay, no one died. Good. Everyone stay on this one. Everyone move! Everyone out! Oh, you're rich. No! My world has ended. Dang, the rich people survived. You ready? Oh. Can I climb this, please? Yeah, I'm on the top! The rich people. The rich people! Even more rich guy! Wait, that's me right there. Oh. Yeah, good present. Bag. I want presents! Ooh! Oh my goodness. No, I didn't get a present. Wait, I want your present. Why can't I get the present? Excuse me, I worked really hard this Christmas, okay? I got nothing. I got nothing on Roblox for this Christmas. Give me present! Oh my goodness, this game. Getting the presents are actually really difficult. There we go. Present! Yay! Oh, you got 5! I want 5 presents! Okay. Alright. Okay, I guess this is the end of this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe.